Morning, everybody. We're on our way. Leaving Zubiri. Say hi. It's a beautiful day. Got about 11.5 kilometer walk. They're all waving. They're all happy. We had breakfast. Let's go. So let's listen to the bells on the horses. Here's the gigantic magnesium factory right outside of Zubiri. It tells you, don't leave the path. So this little church abbey here on the Camino, this is a little bit outside of Zubiri. This man is restoring all of it. He does believe this is the oldest church along the Camino here, and thinks it dates back to about the 1200s someplace. He's put up slabs of concrete. He's found Roman coins here. This is amazing. And he's happy to tell you all about his restoration work. It's siesta time in Spain. The horses. In Spain, the horses have siesta too. All of them are laying down. Baby time in Spain. Lunch. So here's my bed. We're up here at this cloister in Zalbadika. It's a little bit of a climb, but it's really nice. I'll show you the rest of it when we go downstairs, but we have single beds. There's a couple bunk beds in here, but most of us got single beds. And here's the common room here at the cloister at Zalbadika. And we're all upstairs. And we are just about ready to eat. Look at this fabulous spread they've made for us for tonight. Oh my goodness. This is the best place to stay on the Camino, just about. We had a nice tour of the church, which you've seen in the video. So let's eat. This is the church at the albergue where we're staying tonight. The cloister. This is in a town called Zalbadika. So we're about 9 kilometers outside of Pamplona. Good place to stay.